The Xfinity Xumo Box may keep turning off unexpectedly, disrupting your viewing experience. The most common cause is the auto sleep mode, which automatically turns off the box after 10 to 30 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. Other potential causes include firmware update problems, overheating, faulty HDMI cables, and app crashes while streaming. Xfinity has released updates to address these issues, but older models may still experience them. We'll explore troubleshooting solutions next. Let's start troubleshooting your Xfinity Xumo Box. First, disable the auto sleep feature to prevent unwanted shutdowns. Go to Settings, then System, then Power Management. Turn off auto sleep or adjust the timer to a longer period. Next, ensure your Xumo Box has the latest firmware. Navigate to Settings, System, Software Update. If issues persist, reset the box by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it restarts. Make sure the Xumo Box has proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Place it in an open area away from heat sources. Check your HDMI cable for damage and try a different port on your TV or cable box. Use a surge protector to stabilize voltage and protect against power fluctuations. For persistent issues, especially with older boxes, contact Xfinity support for assistance. Finally, try clearing the cache via the Reset menu to resolve app crashes or glitches.